Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. So in this video, we talk about the most interesting, the VibeVoice model by Microsoft. So these are the open source text to speech, which you write a text and it will generate a speech out of. So there are expressive long form and multi-speaker conversational audios. And it is much better, which is in the closed source also, in the open source also. If you see the markings, human preference. So human preference suggests 3.75. It is a much better. So this is the thing. This is the TTS system, text to speech models. So let's go to the next. VibeVoice is the open source research framework intended to advance collaboration in speech. Let's see some example over here. So these are the speaker 1, speaker 2 and speaker 1, speaker 2. So these are the prompting style we need to give, or this is the spontaneous emotion. So let's
Cursing that way? I can't believe you did it again. I waited for 2 hours. 2 hours! Not a single call, not a text? Do you have any idea how embarrassing,
Let alone check my phone.
a nightmare?
So spontaneous emotion, how emotion flows in this voices, and spontaneous singing.
Hey, remember See You Again?
Yeah, from Furious 7, right? That song always hits deep.
How accurate these voices are. So podcast with background music, so it will also.
Welcome to Tech Forward, the show that unpacks the biggest stories in technology. I'm your host, Alice, and today we are diving into one of the most anticipated and, frankly, most chaotic tech launches of the year, OpenAI's GPT-5. The hype was immense.
This is amazing. It will generate the podcast with background audio also. So cross-lingual, it was multilingual also. It can change the voice.
Hello everyone. It's a simple task. You can use the phrase 小菜一碟. It literally
So it will change this thing also. So while calling, for example, TTS is a very big industry, text to speech. So this is the one you can use in that. Long conversation speech also.
Hello and welcome to
early. That's
The area of forest burned in the western United States in recent.
Understand the numbers.
It is 90 minutes, 40
Many of those nations express.
which is long conversational. So 45 minutes of audio it can generate.
Hello and
90
welcome
minutes.
to Planet in Peril. I'm your host.
So it releases two models. One is 1.5 billion parameters and second is 7 billion parameters. So you can generate the audio. How it works, you can give the. So it will also do one more thing. It is also clone the voice. Okay, so for example, this is my voice. I put inside that and I just write a text and generate it. It will generate in that voice also. That is a major part in that. So how we use this thing? So first we see the code base. You can go to the GitHub repo. So it is present here, VibeVoice. Let me change to English. Yeah. So it will provide all these things. So it will generate the video with WAN 2.2 and show you that.
Welcome to the VibeVoice podcast. I'm your host. Now, don't worry, listening to this won't make you age slower than everyone else, unless you're tuning in from a spaceship, of course.
So it will do in Chinese also.
欢迎收听 VibeVoice 播客，我是你们的
Cross-lingual, it is doing a lot of stuff. So these are the things where you get the models. So if you go on the Hugging Face, so okay, it has only, okay, on this one. No. So right now there are 7 billion parameters model also, but I think they removed that one. 7 billion parameters. So if you search for the models 1.5, these are the 3 models only. But there is no problem. So maybe yesterday only they remove, I think so. Yeah. So for that solution, we have Model Scope, which is the Chinese company. It's similar to Hugging Face only. So it will provide you all the models. Voice models, 7 billion parameter models. This one. So you can download the models from here. All the models are here only. These are the models. And this is the thing. Yeah. So it is mostly downloaded. You can download it here. But now how you can use this thing? That is the major part. How you can use this particular thing. So for that we use ComfyUI. ComfyUI, I give you this particular workflow in the description also. So let me do one thing with the first, just this thing. This one single speaker. Okay. So let me use up to 1 million. Yeah. OpenAI just launched the GPT 4.1 models, and this isn't your usual AI update. ये models much better in code. So I use this particular voice to generate this one. Let me change the text. Let's try out with English, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. And we write out this one. Let's run this one. I already downloaded this model. This is the large. It has 1.5 billion and large. If you are downloading recently, then it will large didn't work. You need to place the model where you need to place the model. If you don't know about anything about ComfyUI, how to use it, you can see our previous playlist about ComfyUI and all. So you can learn a lot of things how to make a workflow and stuff. So it is done. Let's see. Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is my today we are testing Microsoft's VibeVoice inside ComfyUI. In ComfyUI. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are testing Microsoft's VibeVoice inside ComfyUI. So this is amazing. So it will help us to generate a voice. Okay, that is the major thing. Now let's see, this is the thing. Let me show you one major part where you need to place the model. So if you go to the ComfyUI folder, yeah, ComfyUI folder, you need to go to models. Models, you need to go to TTS, VibeVoice and VibeVoice large. Make a folder and download it from there, and you can paste it directly here. So these are all the models. So you can use any one. These are all the ones in the starting where I downloaded. So it download all the models at once. But you can download 009 of that particular model. So it will work for you. So let's try out with different two voices. So this is the second voice.
How strong? Hello Mohit, how are you?
So let's connect it to speaker 2 and make it a prompt like this now. Copy this one. Let me do. The prompting style similar to that only. Not this, but we need a speaker 2 and a speaker 3 like this. Two. Speaker 3. Speaker 4. 4. And it's done. So these are the things you can do. Let's run this one. Speaker, okay, this is one only. I want this should be 1 and this should be 2. Yeah, because we only use speaker 1 and speaker 2. It takes some time. While it is generating, I will show you some of the things, the parameters. You can change the model, you can write a prompt here. You can change the full precision and the quantize if you search here. So these are the two things, full precision and the quantized LLM only. There are the flash attention 3. So SDPA, flash attention. These are the optimization algorithm for the faster generations. Okay, so we are using this SDPA. CFG, how much guidance you want to give to the prompt? It should be 1.3, 1.5. That much higher gives the major part to the prompt, not the voice. The consistency with this voice is much lesser in that. So see the inference step, how many inference step you want to generate this particular thing. It start with the noisy image, then it will generate this thing. The seed, if we talk about seed, this particular seed number, okay, this particular voice, the starting point of that. So this number represents to that particular noisy image, then it will generate the image. Randomize if you want to fix the seed, if you want to incremental, if you want decremental, and randomize. Every time you run, it will generate a new seed. Do sample if you want to use these three temperature, top P and top K. So you need to enable or you can disable these both the things. So temperature means how much creativity you want to give. The increase the creativity, it will more creative like that in the voice particular thing. But you can use both the thing. So 0.9 to 1, it is the much better range. Similar with top P, and keep in VRAM. So force offload if you want to offload the VRAM. So once you generate, you remove the model parameters to the VRAM, then every time it will run, it will load the model like that. So let's listen this one. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are testing Microsoft's VibeVoice inside ComfyUI.
Yup, multi-speaker TTS with voice cloning. I'll handle the demo. You do the intro.
Deal. First a short paragraph, then a quick Q&A.
And if it sounds good, we'll export the final mix at 24 kHz vibe.
So yeah, so what we see in both the voices, you can take this is the first voice, this is the second voice, then it will generate like this. So this will help you a lot in this particular thing to generate the voice cloning with the simple 31 minute your voice, and then it will generate in the vibe voice. So it is much better version. So there are a lot of things in that also. You can read the complete documentation over here on this page. I will put the link in the description, and you can download the model from Model Scope also. So this is the Chinese website. You can download the model and it's done. So a lot of things you can do. Let me know what you are making in the comments. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.